The purpose of this film series is to spotlight the positive aspects of the Jamaica we love so much. In most cases, we hear negative stories coming out of Jamaica, which has a direct impact on returning residents. This film series seeks to explore the natural ways people care and share on this beautiful island we call home. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in all the future episodes. Share with your friends, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell on YouTube so that you'll be notified for future episodes. Take care. Randy Pottinger.
has arrived at Jamaica International Airport.
Christine,
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the appropriate departure gate. Again, this is seatbelt fastened seatbelt sign.
Jean, everybody.
Please do not remove any passengers at this time. Make this something
Yes, bravo.
When we thank you
So,
for the answer
this
gate,
journey is to start the party.
minutes apart. Next time,
The team
check
out.
all your personal belongings and be careful when opening the overhead
I
bin.
make it to age 50.
Passengers required to security. Can you remain seated onto the program for your day?
The dance I just Bolton.
Smoking is prohibited until you reach the designated smoking area.
A lot of people
That's the shop.
want to see it, they know already. And sit down and see the journey.
Ladies and
The
gentlemen,
money
thank you
was
for
rain.
your
It
having
was
you on board
actually
today.
rain.
And on behalf of
Yeah,
Captain Schultz, the rest of the
Kalia,
team,
the
thanks
greatest.
for flying with us and have a good
We'll
afternoon.
make it to age 50. Started in 2005. And I made it back home. This week is my birthday week, May 7th. Give thanks. Caribbean Airline Radio. One love, everybody. So this is Jamaica Good Life. 4 years in. This season right now, Randy celebration. My time. Celebrate my birthday. 50th birthday. Private party. Privacy. No whole heap of people. Cause guess what? No whole heap of people no leave. No crowd. Just the one them will stay up. Big up Janet X. Big up all the supporters them. Montal, John Crook, Mr. Polite, Patricia Elliott. Big up everybody. We'll make it possible for everybody else. Forget house and everything. And we do it. Enough time them now give respect to us. But a Jamaica Good Life for the foundation. To build a better nation, Jamaica. Big up to everybody on the program to help me through researching King. The people who stay with me till the cycle. Big up on yourself. Thank you. Big up on yourself. Was good. Fight was very, very good. Caribbean here.
When they catch you, they put you in like, look, you lied. So this is another charge.
Big vibe. I want to eat some pepper spice right now. I don't really eat no meat right now. I'll go pepper spice. Alright people,
I really like this.
when people respect and love you, then bring coconut for you and mash it at the airport. Randy says so. You know, the girls them candy. Big up to Sandy. You know sir, this is Jamaica Good Life, not a cub life. Not a push life or a shove life. No, we celebrate a 50-year-old birthday. It's time for the war. We don't wait for the war, you know. We don't wait till we go 50 to start the war. We come in love, but there has to be war. I'm a know, sir. Alright, this one goes out to the person who picked me up from the airport to take care of me. Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. People, I love what's saying on. St. Mary, St. James. There's gonna be changes around here. We're going to light a big fire. Africa go see it. People, this is a journey. That one here gonna be epic because Now we have the real team. See that? We're not supposed to do this with my hand enough, but we have to grow up, you know. I airport with them with my shape. Oh my God. What if me chat me and I'm the camera video, eh? What wait? A country boy Randy. What I'm saying? I airport at Jamaica over there. Boy! We don't have a spoon still now. People! The country boy return. 50 years me I wait to light this fire. So I never really know me, you know. Because it's full time on re-educating yourself. The slave mind thing going to end. Sometimes we are going to lose some of the people that we call friend. From the airport we are doing it. Because we choose to do it. Country boy Randy come home. Ah, thank you, Queen, for picking me up. Big up to Lisa Chinking. Jamaica's been sleeping for too long. That's a brainwashing that go on here, so. And that's going to end. So I don't really want many to call my friend. Because I never come here for them. I have to light the fire, man. Where is the Queen? I have to light the fire, right? I have to light the fire. Because when you're born for light a fire, you have to light it. From Africa. We do the charity. We help people. We're going to build a school for the ghetto youth them. So them can know how to make money differently. We're going to teach them how to design. We're going to teach them how to rent films online, make money. We're going to get them the digital Marcus Garvey books. We'll plant a seed for the next 100 years. Jamaica Good Life, the foundation, literally started a movement for psychological healing. For people to come home. We spend my own money 20 years. Now I'm 50. We get permission to speak now. So now it's time for really show oneself. Can't be no back up on no shelf. So, as a 50-year-old, plant the seed from 2005, the tree grew. Charity, farming, land ownership, thousands have come back home because of this program. It's a program with a nostalgic effect. That's why I did it. I spent my own money. Some didn't believe, some did. But the mind of the people not right. So I have to bring the 2000 digital book. We have to create hashtag the new black mind. Them can't unify, so we create agenda unity. So the unity is mental, land ownership, farming. The goal is to make sure we own Jamaica. If a bulletproof vest and guns, so be it. We now left Jamaica. This we will die for. Right, yes, sir. We were dead for that country. That's why we're coming back home. Because we not allow the rich people them to buy it out because of quote unquote fear. Are gangsters. All the foreign soldiers them are coming home. And we have come home to do business the right way. We cannot allow investors and Babylon to buy out this country. Because 50 years, the next generation, slavery 2.0, and we can't allow it. So, people, until next time, don't be no vex time. A airport for their swing machine. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Is proper spice. Straight from the airport. Have to come to proper spice. You see? And meet the general then. What to my brother? So what nothing now go on? Eh? Jaja. Jano. Oh, I see have some mango though. Why? Why? So how much for this? How much? 101? Yeah. Alright, give me a bag, please. This is nice. And how much for the plum? So I'm to national heroes. We not get nothing for free.
Yeah, Papogo.
Papogo, yes. Brother.
Oh, yes. That's nice, man.
We've been fighting the war. Now we are going to turn on the fire. I'm going to come down to turn on the fire now.
Amen.
You see, we have to turn on the fire. Alright, Queen, I have to pick out some nice ones. Let me hold it back.
You want green and red?
Hold it back. Alright.
You want green and red?
Yeah, man. People say Fruitopia. I got to have some fruits. I have to make the Queen pick out the thing them, because you don't want nobody complain. Yes, where you get your starter from?
Me buy me plum. That me shopping.
Yeah, when name of them plum, yeah?
Plum.
Just plum?
Yeah, they call it hot plum.
Hot plum then call it one.
Oh, I wasn't counting. You said dozen?
Hot plum can't eat. You see, hot plum them, you plum them, what I want them to pull out.
Alright.
Family land in St. Mary. Up
Yeah,
the
man.
street, but they're purple.
Yeah, man, no. So now I could get 3 of this, please.
That's 1.5.
So,
Dozen and a half?
Yeah.
Okay, 6 more then. Them salty, man.
I have to just take time with them, no? So them are from my skin.
Okay. 6 more.
and this is
You want 3 of these?
yeah, so it was soft.
You want the soft ones? Okay.
How much for your jelly coconut? Okay. Oh no, what you call the manga again? Hiri? Blacky? Like it. How you sell them?
3
East Indian.
So I could get 3 of this. Yeah, spinach. That's a Jamaican spinach. Okay, so no eat it? Alright, try this. Alright, I like the mango. Oh, the magne's very good. I love your stand, man. I love your fruit stand. So I can't promote your place so when people come from the airport, they will come check you. I'm not put you on video though. I just the fruits. YouTube. So I'm gonna go to Proper Spice and thing. Alright, so now alright, give me some soft one. Yes. Are you a shop? Oh, you're a
shop.
Okay, me promote it.
I'm a music man like you too. Sing and play.
Eh?
Yeah.
Alright. How much for the money?
This very I think $100.
Alright, just give me one of them.
This size.
Alright, no, hear what I say. I forget a big mango, you know. Yeah, spend up the lunch money, mom, too.
As soon as we have to eat.
You want to eat, I'm sure. Don't worry, we'll bring some yam for you next time. You know, when I go country, we left some for you, Sophia. You see me? What's your number?
5655414.
Alright, up on camera. So, you know, when we go bush,
5655414.
we love the people there. So, give me a mango now. Something more we can eat today now. Take care, yeah?
Thank you very much.
That one is good? Well, I know the same price for all of them.
No, the one
A different size, you know, so
Alright, so what for that one here?
300.
For one?
Yeah. Now 400 mango, them have for 400. Them have for 400. East Indian have 400.
And then Nelson have 5.
But none else.
And
Me know, yeah.
That's a Julia, yeah, and down this. That's a East
East
Indian.
Indian, East Indian.
400.
This
is small though. East Indian have 400.
Cheese and peas.
We buy them in a one.
We know, buy it, man, buy it. Something for eat now. Just buy it. We pay for it. Alright, do the maths now. Remember, me is a national hero. We want a piece of cane too.
Want to peel one?
Yes, please. How much for the P one? $100 for about?
200.
Send it on. you have the thing? You have the fun?
Check how much that? 2 dozen? 2 dozen come?
Well, I support you. I'm glad so. I like the thing. Alright, so people, when you come from the airport, just check out proper. Are you a place this father? Come talk about it.
Yeah.
So you must come support the people them. Okay, so when you not come from the airport, come straight here. This is your shop. What's your name? Roddy?
Yes.
Roddy,
Miss
okay.
Carmen,
You know,
the
know
JP.
someone there, Roddy.
Miss Carmen, we're the Miss Carmen shop. The
Miss
JP.
Carmen shop.
The JP.
She's a J, just the other piece?
Yeah, right.
Around flanker?
Yes.
Alright, respect, love. So wow, look at this. Are you this Roddy?
Yeah, man.
So when the people them come through. Alright, this is Roddy. You wanna call him? Give him your number.
349. No, we're gonna give you Jamaica area code 876-349-5083. And Miss Carmen 804-9091.
So now a lot of the tourists, different store them thief the tourists them.
Yeah, that's it. They move up price sometimes. But this is a reason.
This is reasonable. So it's like the tourists them not come around here, so them go to certain different people.
I used to work on the ship, the cruise ships. I have some guys who drive Jake and Andrew.
And them help
come
you
down and
out.
say, "Reasonable," always-
So this is a Jamaican owned style.
yes.
So when you come off of the airport, just make a left
At the fruit stop.
at the fruit stop in Flanker Gate, and Proper Spices round here too, and the local fruit shop. So they must support the local owned Jamaican people thing. 'Cause enough people, them. This is the lady.
Yeah.
How you doing, ma'am? I'm Jamaica Good Life. How long you had this store?
From 2015.
Okay, I love your stuff. I'm just promoting.
And
These were made?
by me. But
You made these?
yes, but since I'm getting up in the age now,
You don't make them no more?
if I get
Wow.
ordered,
Give the number, give out the number. Is this a blouse? What is it? A skirt?
skirt.
Wow, that's lovely.
Yes. 6-979-0852.
It's a pleasure to promote you.
Yes,
So can you take up that skirt for me, please? So this is a skirt made by you. How many years you've been making these?
I'm making these from a young girl, but now I'm old. I'm up in age.
Wow, love it. It's a pleasure. Love it.
That's my husband.
That's your husband,
Yes.
Roddy.
Yes, sir.
I love the place.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna have the people them come support you now.
I'm doing a little JP work, you know.
You're a justice of the peace?
Yes.
And what does that responsibility mean? Being
It's
justice?
like a notary public, whatever a notary public would do
Mm-hmm.
in America.
Mm-hmm.
So I sign documents.
Got it.
about people.
So now if I wanted a fishing license, because I had to find a JP, many times people can't find JPs. So give them your number again, please.
804 979 0852.
So is Flanker improving the neighborhood, is it?
Yes.
So as a justice of the peace.
Contrary to what
Mhm.
persons might say about Flanker,
Mm-hmm.
it's just, you know, they'll say one or two bad apples spoil the whole bunch, but crime is everywhere. But I'd say I would not change my mailing address for anywhere
Else.
else.
If I were to have a class to teach them how to make money otherwise than crime, I could contact you and I could bring my projector and you could go through the neighborhood and invite people and have a little cookout. We could do that?
We could do that.
Because I have a lot of knowledge on how to make money differently and I want to introduce that to the next
The
generation.
next generation.
And since you're justice of the peace, I would love to work with you.
And I work with it. We have also the Peace and Justice Center.
Good. So we could present there?
Yes.
Yes. I'm Randy Pottinger, Jamaica Good Life. The purpose of this new mission is to teach young individuals how to make money differently.
Differently.
Yes, sir,
from
Master.
what
Yes.
they are used
Yes. We're going to teach them how to design stuff from China and ship it in. Teach them how to rent films online, how to do YouTube, how to ship out mint and Cersei and things. We're going to teach them.
to teach them.
Because that's the only way you reach them is to teach them. Ready? And
Carmen.
stand up beside your wife, man, and give her a kiss and tell her you love her. See there? I love.
Love.
And this is love from Frank. Them say love no in a Frank. I mean, come on, people. This is. I'm known it upon tree. Known it probably upon floor too.
All over.
It's a pleasure to meet you guys.
Yes.
I want to be part of your community, and hopefully we could improve it together. Many, I've been doing this program for many. Them say no go flanker, no go flanker, no go flanker.
No, man.
So one day I want you guys to give me a full tour.
Yes.
My three sons.
And I'm gonna link you up.
My three sons go in flanker. One is custom officer.
Yeah.
One live in New York in the state. One come. Look.
So if people abroad want to come now, meet to know.
Everything is in flanker. Doctor, lawyer, police, immigration, pilot, everything come up flanker.
Flanker. So don't
See this sign, the big sign. Welcome to flanker.
welcome to flanker.
Yeah, we have to go the next side to
So
see the picture.
yeah, so my friends can come meet you,
Yeah, man.
get the tour, because
Yeah.
people are afraid.
No.
We want to break them fear cycle.
Oh, no.
So Roddy, they might come link you.
Yeah.
People up want to bring books for the kids them. As some program work, them just link you, some enough involved, them just come support, you know,
Yeah.
and tour out and see the little kids them who need help and
Yes, man.
me can't do everything. Somebody just tell them say,
My wife is a community person.
come into us.
She used to have a football team. She used to,
Wow.
get kids in school. Yeah.
So you're the community leader. So them respect you all over.
Yeah, man.
So-
Auntie Carmen.
Auntie-
Justice. Anything you call me, Miss Carmen.
Wow.
It's me.
It's funny how I said to myself, I have to go proper spice. Me never know.
Yes.
Say, I have some.
And you went to
I own you.
Jagrini.
I've never been.
The original Jagrini.
Jagrini. What's Jagrini?
It's a
Jagrini
Rasta
was a
cook.
Rasta. He
Light and food like pepper spice.
promote everything. But
Really?
he gave everything. But the only thing he wasn't willing, he didn't give and they take it from him. His life.
Yeah.
They killed him. They
He was
robbed
so
him.
kind.
It was so
Kids going
kind.
to school and
Jagrini.
yeah, old people coming with food and just give them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we must
don't go
call
on.
out Jagrini name.
Yeah,
You know, me there in Jamaica everywhere, cause there's beauty everywhere. And when I like to think negative as much as me can, me tries to positive Jamaica good life. And somebody said something to me that hurt me about Mobay. They make a statement, but I'm going to repeat it. And I was so hurt. You know what I say? Because, yeah, so we stay, you know? I'm going to try and make it better wherever we go. Right, Queen? And it is what it is all over Jamaica. So, give thanks for all those who come from here. Because some of the strongest warriors them was here who defended Jamaica, am I correct? The Sam Sharp them, right? So these are warriors from Mobay. And I saw the place stay all night and all day. I love me some Mobay because of the beach, the fisherman place. And we just stay in our lane and we don't complain and we take it easy. Life is life. This is Jamaica good life. These are the people them that finally get a driver now. And she body say, man, I tell you she's a bad road driver. Hey! Oh, this a season, yeah? I said me here, what we say? I said me here a tour, we go upon river, what we say? Farming, what we say? Bush, what we say? Camping, what we say? Roasting yam, roast potato, roast fish. We have to go get some coal, stop at the street side and do some cooking. Yeah? The adventure begins. This is Jamaica, good life. What a thing, what a thing. I love to sing about Jamaica, land of wood and water. We don't focus on the crime, we just come here to spend some time. I watch the people them a lime like in a Trinidad, them say liming. Yeah. Yeah, man. I rode the people them know. Yes, this is the people them. Yes, let's give thanks and no skin teeth in around here. Avocado expensive and dear. That's why I forgot St. Mary. Get some cocoa. People, yo, St. Mary, it is your time. St. Mary, full meal. Yeah. Yes. Look at the people that man, proud Jamaicans. I tell us how bad people in nah, man. So I go straight down, take a right at Courts. And my town. Love the girls them black, and I love the girls them brown. And my town. This is the place, man. Yes, me say. You like the area? Have a good vibe. Yeah, that might be where you come from. This is the thing, nice. Watching videos. I'm gonna walk straight down the road. Yeah, take your time with them. When you look people in Jamaica, you know, you wrong. Boy, you have to run, left car. One thing when me drive, you know, me also use my hand, you know, cause me no want to lick nobody in this country. You wrong. them not wrong, you know. You know that. You can't lick nobody in Jamaica, man. You wrong. Trust me. Always use your hand, yeah, missus. Everybody, I drink them boom. Back into the hustle and the bustle. Tomorrow's a beach day. Wait, now Wednesday the beach open. Not Tuesday. Yes, people. I go straight and then you're like, yeah, man, I said them play, man. This is Mobay all day. Straight down here. Alright, no, I know I say, make them do them thing. Jamaican drivers are always right. You always wrong. See it there? Them right, you wrong. Make them go. And when you're driving in Jamaica, you just drive slow. Make them go and don't argue with no one. In Jamaica, they're right, you wrong. That's how me get through, you know. You know, like driving. Stay up on it, but take your time. Traffic time. Alcoholics still in Jamaica right now. Over there, so. Over there. In Jamaica, push out. Give me a blind, give me a blind, give me a blind, give me a blind, give me a blind. Me get it. Yeah. Probably I'll go to Seaside. I'll get some fish. Yes, people, I'm home. People are not so. Take your time, monkey. Take your time and slowly go up.
But every time we talk about no one can in Jamaica.
Go on, show. Oh, okay. Oh, you're not in the check up drive. Pepper. You know, she's a breadfruit. Pepper. So I'll put you through this. no breadfruit around here, so I said me a breadfruit there. I said me a breadfruit there. Eh? Okay. We did see one, yeah. Alright, take a left, let's see. We get out of this. No roast breadfruit. How much? Give me one now. Lift time. So much that. Lift time. Slow down. Scallion time. How much?
Scallion time.
Slow down. Lift time. Go ahead. Go ahead. Sometimes I say I have to buy the thing. Yeah man, the one in from the Seaside. Some pepper though.
I think me and that, if that would have told me I know me not copy that, but me I'm not paying. You don't see them
Right over there, so the aisle shop them there. So if you want Heil up, Healing Heil. Hey, hey. This is St. James. Sorry. Go that way. We'll get a breadfruit, people. Then we'll take a ride. We'll get a breadfruit. I'm gonna roast that. Slice up some onions with it. And I'll get a fish. And then we'll go. See jerk. Alright, see jerk. Jerk is. Yeah, but they call them, no more food not there. So we'll go straight to the Seaside. I'll go roast the breadfruit tonight and steam a fish. But we don't have no pepper, so we buy pepper at the local place. That's all. So I go straight across the street. Yeah man, you missed the pothole then. Across the street.
Down there?
Yeah, out of the seaside. Oh, fish now at $1,200 fish per pound. How them sell fish at St. Mary? But you get fish for free?
Yeah, they call alligator farm.
For free? So you must know how much it costs. You just buy, hey, fish by the pound is a barometer for life. If fish are $800 a pound at St. Mary, that's where we're going. Is it? You know, reach 1,000 run here, so 1,200. So I get a bread. Mobay food expensive, very. Well, in Jamaica, I don't make driving bother me, you know, cause you can't go. I don't really talk about driving. I don't make it stress me out, cause they're mad you. No, take your time, because, yeah, right. Take your time, slow down, it's rough. I'm gonna take a lift. So this is the seaside, mango de palm tree. This is my car wash guy. You know, him smile, positivity. Take a right here, watch yourself, take your time. Lot of hope, take your time. Yo! Yo! See ya. Yes, sir. Go straight down now. Okay. So now you go straight down. Straight down. This is the seaside, people. Place a build up, captain. So you go around yourself. You go around here, so that will keep going. Then you go take a left yourself. See it there? Take a left yourself.
Jaja!
So that.
That's the far I live.
See it, I come through.
In a deep place.
Show them this. See it there? This is the camp people. Wow! People, they sink. People.
You have all the wash hand around behind you over the other side.
You wash your hands here. So crude oil.
Yeah.
Hey, my brother, you kept it together.
Yeah, man.
No matter the weather.
No matter what one.
I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of you. You make me proud.
No, you know,
wow.
you come back again.
Wow. So you just wait for the...
Yeah.
It's
the next one, you just tear up and I say, alright, me
have it to come.
Me sew you up so I'm ready to put up the back.
Look at that, people. This is Jamaica Good Life Foundation. So the king there. Just come in and the sink is up and running.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Wow. I'm proud of you. You know we love progress, crowd.
Yes, man.
You know so me love.
You know you know feel that it's about the way forward, man.
You see? We love progress. And this, people wanna come, washing the fish and roasting the thing. You know, have a toast to the king for the good living. See it there? So
Yes,
this is the queen.
Yes. Bless. Bless again, princess. Bless.
Wow.
You're
I
right.
know some I love that thing. I know some I come and say, spread out the room or something, you know, so we can go in.
Yes, right. You're right.
It's good to be.
Yeah, man, I love me have left by bamboo then. The bamboo is wrong. So
Yeah.
I'm going to take up some of them things and bamboo is wrong.
Because we're going to ship out the tent.
Yeah, but we inside.
We love it.
Yeah, man.
I'm like, I'm umbrella.
Yes, man. Let's have the place.
So, don't miss me.
Of course. Why you believe me call it for regular winter? Winter, we get to hear your voice.
People. This is how it starts, you know. St. James. It's our Black history. And we get the tent now, we have the TV, we have the speaker. And this is where we're going to build a school. And get to cheer them. And we're teaching you them how to make money differently.
Right, return.
You see? This is the place. This is going to change Jamaica, the whole Jamaica from here. It cheers them and they get to you. Them are going to come right just so. We're going to teach them how to make money differently.
Yeah.
And when you guys come in from the States, boom. Buy your fish. This is what I want to know. Come and this is where this is going to be epic. 50 years from now, we're going to talk about the moment Ran and Crew Dial team up to help to get the youth them. And have you been watching more of the history, my brother?
Yes, man. Me never stop. Never stop.
What is the new full enlightenment?
But you know, me not reach it yet. Can't remember say there's so much me have on it.
But you must have something else must hit the
Yes.
so rewrite time.
Yes. I know. Belief gone. Belief gone. I know it. So nothing I don't believe for me anymore. You believe that theory the blank out.
You have to know.
Zero. I know now. It's all about knowing. But are you enlightened me to that? I've been change and balance on certain things, wouldn't get to find out all of that. Because I remember I would have listened to random music and it wouldn't bring me no good. I would have watched show where make more violence. So you say you feed your mind with corruption, you go too corrupt. If you feed your mind with enlightenment, you go far in life. Higher frequency. So you if you open your mouth, you like you feed the underworld with a negative vibe. You come back and hit you.
That's why the world now work.
And that in the world now work, the people them now work because people them no have the right knowledge of what going on. A very few really understand what really are going on. So and you can't open your mouth too wide neither. You have to just take your time, refer to the person and where you can refer to because first you come and see, when you start talking to some people, then they'll kind of be Then they'll say, boy, what you they say? Because they don't reach a level yet. They'll take them a while. And when I say they can't really get to them. What would I really say? Could I really get to them with their food because they're hungry? And that's Babylon we do to them too far first. The only way you could have get to them is by food, right? Now really do nothing to them food, you know, or anything, you know, but you always have food because they always they come for food. So we always have something, so when they come now, you got something to eat them with. So each time they come, you make them know, they open their knowledge to certain things. So whether it's in the company food, or you're going to use that as a gateway to get to the knowledge. Because listen to me, if you hear this thing more than one time, you don't take it to consideration. And if you take it to consideration, it's a whole of meditation. And you don't start ask and they don't try to investigate about it. And then you really find out, then now you kind of really have them. And you need them to change them. And that's the only way we can unite them. We change their mindset. Because their mindset not easy to change, you know. You have to undergo a bully for different behavior when they have. Somebody may indulge in some foolishness already.
How the people around here since we leave? How they?
Well, me woke up in a holy farm city, but you know me can't go on that. You know me can't go on that because I make for this. I can't go on that. Come here, but they fall out with all of them, but all of them unite back because they have to unite because you know me not go further from the truth. We don't have no corner, we don't have no classic with no skeleton. So I just the truth now. So you know them they not go and hear the truth. I will for people. So when you speak the truth, they don't go like it. They know fucking. But they never come to themselves and find out. But you know, I truly when they talk. Because man not give you credit before your face, you know, right? You go by yourself and say, you know, that's true, man. And that all the while that we making have to hold your head down when you reach to where you get. You know, when hold your head down no longer, you don't have to do anything. That's how you go, man. Well, we don't have no other problem with you. You know, because your teeth are strong, you know, remember already. A firm ground, man. A firm ground, man. We got them, man.
Good. I'm gonna move through, but you know me have to touch.
You don't want one of this. You don't want one of this.
Set me up. People, this is Jamaica good life. The fire going to be hot. Well, I'm going to be 50 years old and we'll come to do our work. And we're going to do the work. We don't really do it for the likes. We do it for the truer information. This is Jamaica, and this camp over here is where everything, the liberation for the people's minds, a lot of studying I go on. And we bring the information. St. James have it. Well, look on a 50-year, 100-year plan, but you have to plant the seed for the fruits to grow. The system is not working. The mentality is dull. So what we are going to do is create a new ship, a new hull. So now the information we bring, you say, it's a fight Babylon system. Knowledge. Consciousness for the people. You see? So it go. One love.